Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and check who is not following or check Instagram followers that don't follow you back on Instagram. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So I saw this topic being mentioned a lot, and even recently someone mentioned the stupid follow unfollow practice of some that are trying to unknowingly boost their accounts. I don't know if someone described this before, but there's an easy way to find out people that follow or don't follow you back using a PC. On the PC, log in into your IG account on Instagram.com, go to settings and security, and in these sections, data download, click on request download, enter your email, choose HTML, and confirm with your password. Then you can check your email. It can take a while, even a day or two, till the files are generated and the link will be sent to your mail. Follow the instructions to download these zip files, unpack them, and look for a folder called followers and following, and open the files follower.html and following.html in your browser, and then you can simply go ahead and check them. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.